Alright, the 2011 Elite case did show up, and this break's going to be for David. I actually got a few of these to divvy out. Show the case real fast. Back this way. Bam. And bam. And bam. Anyway. Put that there. Alright. Oh, a poster. Cool. I was like, what did I order? Basketball? I saw a basketball poster on it. Alright. Alright, David wants the first one that ends in 3, 71, 56, 14, 72, 47, 27. Do this real fast. 12, 38. 0, 0, 21. Okay, none ended in 30. Any 3s. And this is the only one that ended with a 3 in it. So 38 it is. David, that will be yours for this break. Nicholas, you just wanted one, man. So I'm just going to grab one. This block one. You'll get number 60, Nicholas, for the next break. That over there. 1809 for Adam. Adam, I don't remember seeing any 1809s. Make sure real fast again. Nope. So we're just going to grab 2. You'll get 12 and Adam 0, 1. Oh, actually you wanted 3. And this one. And 80. So Adam, those will be your 3. And then Mr. Tim. Just kidding. You ever watched Julian Smith? Tim with an N. 50. Tim, that will go to you. And then I've got to ship 2 to Julian. 1 to another person and 1 to another person. So that's actually only going to leave 2 left, which will be box 47 and 27. I got another case coming in though. Soon. When will then be now? Soon. Alright, so these are for the breaks. Wasn't that fun? Fun. Bam. Oh, put this there, there, and there. And there. David, none of them ended in a 3, man. So, this one didn't had a 3 in it, the last 2 numbers. So, 2011 Elite. Football. Empty. And without further ado, we off. There's your base cards. Kind of like the older Elite. Nothing new there. And the insert kind of like the older Elite. Numbered to 999. Stephen Ridley. First off, we have down and distance Robert Meacham, jersey. That's weird numbering, 214. Straight up base. Base. Asante Samuel. Nah, it's $9.99. Eli Manning Legends, $9.99. Jake Locker Rookie, kind of looks prestige, like prestige, sort of, $9.99. Edmund Gates, $9.99. Let's see, Nick Fairley, rookie, $9.99. Nick Fairley, rookie, $9.99. I'm seeing a pattern here. Oh, I was like, that's stuck a little bit. Jersey, Aaron Rodgers. And that's $2.99. Hello. How's it going? Autograph of Kendall Hunter, $2.99. Green. I want some apple drink. It's green. What is juice? I want some grape drink. Oh, you guys are watching Dave Chappelle. It's funny. Matt Forte, Power Formulas, $9.99. Jamal Charles, Craftsman, $9.99. Die cut. Those are cool looking. Peyton Hillis, numbered to 40. Another one. We have Ronald Johnson, $4.99. Turn of the century. Aldon Smith, rookie, $9.99. Just some base cards. And Deloney Carter, rookie, $9.99. That is elite. Alright, David, I appreciate it, bro. I will get these sorted and on the way today. See you, man.